In this video, I want to talk a little bit about how you can actually squeeze every little bit of happiness out of every opportunity that you have in your life. I was recently listening to a Tim Ferriss podcast where he said he tries to book a holiday, a vacation with some friends, and then a separate holiday with his family. And he tries to schedule them 6 to 8, sometimes even a year in advance, and book them into his calendar. And the reason that he does this so far in advance is because he has the pleasure of actually looking forward to those events and actually feeling happy about researching it and speaking to his friends about what they're going to do when they go on that holiday. It allows him to feel better about it than if he just spontaneously decided, I'm going to go to Barcelona this weekend with some friends. You don't get that enjoyment out of it compared to if you had that time to look forward to it, especially when you may have to book a doctor's appointment, for example, and so you open up your calendar app and then you realize, oh yeah, I've got that thing in 3 weeks time. And you can actually feel good about the fact that it's there. It's like a nice little reminder. It's a little boost when you need it to have that in your life. I'll give you an example. For me, I really love Christmas, but I don't necessarily love just Christmas Day. I love the whole build up to it. I like when it's dark and snowy outside or raining and you're inside with the fire roasting and you're watching all the Christmas movies like Home Alone or Elf or Polar Express, all of these great movies, you're listening to Christmas music, you're eating great Christmas food, and it's just a good time of year. A season where everyone's merry and happy and people are a lot more nicer, and it's just a nice time. And that itself, that period of time and looking forward to Christmas is actually, I feel, sometimes better than the actual Christmas day. I feel like the actual season, that build up is just a nice feeling, and you can get excited looking forward to Christmas. So that is something, that premise there, that concept is something that I think can apply to many different areas. So obviously I just used the holiday schedule there that Tim Ferriss uses, but you could even go ahead and decide that in 3-4 weeks with some friends you're going to go and do some golfing, or you're going to go to a bar. Rather than just deciding to do it on the Friday night after work, you can actually schedule it ahead of time and look forward to that date, because you're actually going to feel more happier about it. It's going to allow you to release those chemicals, those endorphins into your brain, and feel good about yourself and excited. Which is so much better than just being spontaneous and not sort of getting that build up and as much out of that situation that you could. So that's something that I wanted to share with you in this video today. Why don't you try and after this video, think of like 2 things that you could schedule with family or friends in the near distant future to sort of get yourself in a position where you can look forward to a cool event, something that you're going to anticipate and feel good about, because you could be having an awful week, an awful month, but you may know that you have that really nice thing coming up, that thing that's going to make you happy. Maybe it's a spa day for you guys, I don't know, whatever it is that you're into. It's something you can look forward to when life's beating you down and you're not feeling too good. At least you have that coming up, and so it can actually make you feel a little bit more happier about yourself in your life. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you could give the video a like and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want more videos like this on this YouTube channel, which is all about mindset, self-development, stoicism, habit building, and so much more. Check out some of the other videos here that you can find on these topics. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in another video. Have a great day.